for another video of mine, guys. So today, guys, we are playing SFG2, but guys, we are already done at SFG3, guys. So today, guys, we are going at office. We're aura farming at office. Guys, we are aura farming. Guys, wait. Guys, we're gonna shoot them. Oh, I need to steal his gun. Oh, I kind of like this gun. Oh, there's already a shooting there. Kill them, guys. Bro, easy peasy. Guys, we gotta steal some guns. Yes, guys. Guys, they're somewhere here. Oh. Easy killings, bro. I already killed him in just seconds. Guys, let's go. Shit, are you kidding me? Broski. Bro, at least I'm in the top, bro. Damn, bro. Let's see other players. You know what, guys? Round draw. Guys, let's try shotguns again. Winchester, guys. Let's use this gun. Gotta shoot them, guys. Easy killings. Counter-terrorist win. Bro, counter-terrorist win. We are aura farming here. Bro. Guys. I killed them, guys. Let's see here. Counter-terrorist win. Guys, counter-terrorist win again. Boom! Boomski! Guys. Broski! Let's kill them. Guys, 2 minutes more and we're gonna stop the video. Yeah, kill them, guys. I killed him. Bro. Let's go. Shit, bro. I was about to kill him, bro. Are you kidding me? Bro. There are only two, bro. Let's use this gun again. Let's go. Let's aura farm the shitties. There are shitties, bro. We gotta get this shitties. Yeah, easy killings. Bro. Guys. Yeah, bro. This is the end of the video, guys. Wait. Guys, this is the end of the video, guys. This is the end. Pew, pew, pew. Bye, guys.